Hi and welcome. Today you will know how you can create clipping mask for fill and stroke in Illustrator. Use Ellipse tool to create a circle. You can fill it with any color you want. Move it on top of that picture. Let me copy this picture first. Now select both, go to Objects and click on Clipping Mask, then click Make. First shape was pretty simple. Now let's make another copy of this image. Pick Hexagon tool and create one. Fill it with any color. Use Alt then click and drag to copy it and place it somewhere like this. Press Ctrl D multiple times to make more copies. Now select these all shapes, then while holding Alt make copies like this. Press Ctrl D multiple times to generate more copies. Select these all shapes and group it for your convenience. Align shapes on top of this image. Select shapes and click on Create Compound Path, then click on Make. Select both shapes and click on Clipping Mask, then click on Make. Now what if we have stroke shapes instead of fills like lines? Create line with help of Line tool. Duplicate it and give little space between lines. Press Ctrl D multiple times to make more copies. Select all lines duplicated and rotate it by 90 degrees. Adjust its position. While all lines are selected, go to Objects and click on Expand, then expand Stroke. Go to Objects, then under Compound Path click on Make. Lastly, adjust lines on top of image and press Ctrl 7 to apply Clipping Mask. Note that Ctrl 7 is shortcut of Clipping Mask. That's it. Thanks for watching.